As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to the live session with Stock Sniper Trading. My name is Dave, guys. My partner is Ron. Hope everyone's having a good morning so far. All right, guys, current time is 7:45. All right, you can see we have gold on the daily here. All right, we have unemployment claims coming up at 8:30. All right, so it's going to be a big news folder. Okay, it's an orange folder, it's not red, so it's not going to be too crazy, but I definitely think that we're going to get a lot of momentum push from that in gold and probably some indices as well. All right, so let's get busy with our top down. Before that, guys, make sure to check the description box. It's not a buy or sell channel. We're here to provide free technical and fundamental analysis. Any trades taken up on yourself. All right, try not to risk more than 1%. You know how these markets have been. It's very volatile as of late, so we just want to make sure that everything is good and there's no issues with the accounts. Okay, let's get ready to rock, guys. I'm going to do the top down starting from gold on the daily here. Okay, so you can see we're currently trading at 1714. All right, we made a high at around, you can see the top wicks here, 1730, 1725, anywhere around that area. All right, so I'm going to look to do a nice resistance line on the daily here. Can look for daily support level just on the same candle. Let's zoom in a bit. There we go. Daily support. All right, let's take a peek now at our 4-hour. All right, guys, looking like a nice M pattern here. All right, if gold does start to break, I'm just going to make this move a little bit down so we can get the neckline at the daily. Going to use a 4-hour support level at the bottom wick. Okay. And then check out our 4-hour resistance. All right. Let's get ready to do our hourly now. Okay, looking pretty good. Look at this chop we have right here, guys. We're going to move that down just a little bit. You can see that nice daily consolidation, nice support level here, and we're just bouncing in and out right now of this zone from that 1717 to 1710. So about a 70 pip box. Okay, I'm going to add a nice hourly resistance right above. Okay, I'm going to take a peek now just below here, guys. You can see hourly support looking to the left even. All right, 1 hour support. I'm going to take a peek at the 15 now. Get this done pretty quickly, guys, so we can get it into the charts a little bit faster than normal. Okay, so we have some 15-minute support just below here. All right, right before the daily, you can see it's nice structure holding to the left. Okay, I'm taking a peek at the 15-minute resistance just above. It's a lot of these top wicks right around here, guys. Okay, 15-minute resistance. Perfect. Okay, so you can see gold right now, it's in a descending parallel channel. All right, I'm not really looking to take any moves here. We tried to do a nice little sell from 1713. It dropped to 1712. All right, and then it had a little bit of a reversal coming in here. So it was a nice attempt, and it can still drop down for sure. We just got to watch and see how everything's going to move on the 5 minutes. Okay, so you can see here, I'm going to actually mark a nice little consolidation area on gold. Okay, and we're going to watch and see how this is going to play out. All right, we got about 10 minutes till the new hourly. Okay, so we're just going to be patient until then. I do think that, you know, we might get a back test, or sorry, a test again at 1710. Okay, so what I mean by that is a nice short position right around in here, looking to maybe get back down there. So you can see the R to R would be really tough if you're looking to take this. 1714, maybe 1715 would be the stop loss. And then, you know, it's almost a 1-to-1, a little bit less. So it's not really worth our time. But again, gold can still push to the downside. Okay, so we're just going to monitor this. I'm going to set some alarms for the reversal and then the continuation. Okay, so let's take a peek now at NASDAQ. Okay, so NASDAQ's looking nice, guys. You can see it made a nice little bottom here, then retested. Okay, you can see it's making some higher highs and higher lows. And then, you know, pretty much see a nice little uptrend starting right here. Okay, so let's start with just checking it out here. Let's go to the daily, guys. There we go. Okay, so you can see here, yesterday we were trading, I remember this was the high, these two candles right here, and you can see we made a little bit of a high yesterday and then started to reject and push back down. All right, so let's look. Nice resistance level on the daily. Okay, and then I can see just below here, nice support level starting to hold. Okay, so I'm looking now to take a break and go to the 4-hour here. Oh, guys, this looks pretty nice. Nice little bottom wick. Could be a nice little M pattern. All right, I'm going to use the daily at the 4-hour level, because if we break there, it's going to have a nice little impact on that sell. Okay, I can see some 4-hour support starting to hold. Okay. Then I'm taking a look. I'm not really going to have much of a resistance on the 4-hour. You can see this is a nice little level around in here, 11,600. Okay, so let's just take a peek at the hourly and see how we're looking there. Move that up just a tad. Okay, and then we're going to get our hourly support just below here. Okay, and we're going to look for an hourly resistance level, guys. Okay, 1 hour resistance just above here. Okay, guys, we are streaming live right now on YouTube, on Instagram as well. If you guys are watching through IG or whatever it may be, make sure to check out our live on YouTube. Okay. All right, so you can see here that on now the 15-minute level, made a nice little bottom. Okay, nice hold, nice resistance. Let's touch up these charts here real quick. Nice, nice. Okay, what I'm looking to do now on the 15, you can see there's a nice level of demand here, nice level of resistance. Okay, so we're just going to chill out and watch and see how things are going to move. All right, I see if we dive in here just a little bit. Okay, I see a nice 15-minute support level. Okay, let's take a peek. The resistance level we're coming in here, I'm looking for 15. Guys, I'm just going to let you know, I think gold will consolidate until we have that move at 8.15. Okay. All right. So then we have our 5 minutes starting to play into here. Okay. So we're just going to watch and see. Nice little trend starting to hold. Okay. Where are we at in terms of the moving averages? We're above the 9. We're right below the 200. Okay. Let's take a look at our RSI here. We're just above on the 50. Okay, we're starting to make a little bit of a push here. Okay. So let's just monitor this, guys, about 5 more minutes till the new hourly. All right. There's not much that's going to happen right now, so I suggest just sitting back and watching, relaxing, and seeing how we get our moves. Okay. Okay, let's go take a look at gold. Okay, just chilling out too, not doing too much. Nice little trend starting to hold here, you can see. All right, right back in that consolidation. You see the US 30, guys. Nice little push, pull, very similar to NASDAQ, okay? Okay, guys, so perfect. Let's go check a look at GU, guys. So you can see GU looks like a nice double bottom here. I had a general buy area right around 1.1, sorry, 1.12800, okay? Make that quick edit there. It was a quick thing just before I was just doing some charting here for the psychological numbers, okay? So you can see that'd be a general nice buy area. It attempted to break here, nothing closed above, and it pushed right back down. Okay, there's a nice little divergent play here starting to show on GBP USD. So let's just monitor this level here. I'm going to set an alarm. Okay, GU has been bearish here, guys, and on the higher time frame there is a dirty wick. Okay, let's take a peek at it. It just started to fill. It's almost filled, guys. Okay, so you can see just below here we have that at roughly 1.122. Okay, so we can see nice sell happening here, beautiful move. Okay, nothing broke above or held. Even on the 15-minute, you can see just a little bit of a wick and then started to push back down. On GU, there is a little bit of a buy area coming in. Okay, so we don't need to really do a top down on GU. It's pretty straightforward with what we're doing right now. Okay, so we're going to add a demand zone text. Okay, and we're going to work based off that. Okay, so my buy areas on GBP USD would be this general area right here. Beforehand, I'm not looking at taking an entry. Okay. So the overall hopeful move, if it drops down, that's what we're looking for. Okay. But again, anything can happen, guys. It's one of those markets, one of those times we are not even beyond NFP. NFP is tomorrow. Okay, so that's a big news folder. I'm sure you guys are all familiar with it, and you understand what the potential volume and volatility can be for NFP. All right, so let's go take a look at the DXY here too. All right, guys, so I noticed this long wick here that, you know, is just waiting to be filled. Okay, so you can see that price is slowly starting to make its way to the upside. Okay, so this could be a nice little potential TP here at 111.7, but you can see we're not getting above just right now. All right, a little bit of rejection starting to punch in, but they're still making higher high, higher low. Okay, so let's just go over this together. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and now we've made a high. Okay, so I'm expecting some kind of a pullback, maybe at least to 111.400 before any kind of a push, maybe to the upside here. And remember, unemployment claims could potentially fill this wick to the upside, and you can see to the previous left, okay, that's where we got rejected. All right. So you can see NASDAQ is trying to hold here. Okay, it's on the 15-minute, guys. We're going to go to the 5, sorry. That's what we're looking at right now, okay? So nice trend holding. Let's see if it's going to hold for the next big move, okay? And we got about 5 seconds for the new hourly switch over, guys. Okay, there's GU, guys, slowly bouncing out. Okay, on the 15 you can see what's starting to happen here. So we're going to set an alarm. We already have it. Looking good to go. All right. We're going to take a look at nasty here. Okay, 8 o'clock, guys. So this is the main hourly that we wanted to focus on. Okay, Forex Factory, you can see here on October 6th. Okay, we didn't have much news. We had 730 euro. Okay, which didn't even refresh this. I just loaded it up again. Okay, so you can see here, no real news was launched. It's just a meeting, so nothing has been done yet. So 8:30, you can see is this unemployment claims that we're waiting for. All right, this is my main objective for the day. Okay, at 10 a.m., like I said, I might stay for a CAD. All right, depends if we can smash those likes to 400, 500. If you guys want me to stay for 10 a.m. Canadian news, and we'll look at doing USD CAD or CAD JPY, one of the two. Okay, we'll monitor both. All right. Okay, so Nasdaq is still holding. Okay, nice big move here. Okay, so we're not getting above this area of supply just yet, if it's going to make it above it all. So we can start to add here. We know there's zones, and we know there's zones just below. Okay, we'll take a look at gold too. Okay, gold is starting to make a move to the upside. And let's take a look at the Dow. You can see it's starting to hold here too. Okay, Goldie's making a move here, coming probably to that 4-hour 1717. Okay, so just patience here. All right, look at this type of move that gold was having. It's horrible, guys. Absolutely horrible. Okay, so you can see that gold started to make a tap at 1716. Okay, so here we got gold punching to the upside. Okay, there it goes, big move. Okay, so look at that big ignited candle here, holding the hourly now. All right, so that's a big move. That's probably the largest candle you can see to the left too, guys. All right, nice volume based candle coming in here. All right, we're probably going to get to that 1719, 1720 area. Okay, if they break through this supply coming in here. Oh, guys, just FYI, if you're part of the free FX group, Shahab, can you drop the FX group link in the the YouTube. Okay, guys, we actually opened up for 25 more spots. Okay, we had some few removed here from the 3-month plan, so we decided to open up the monthly again. We've had 9 signups already, so there's about, I guess, 13 more, 14 more available. Okay, as soon as that's done, it's going to be declined again. Okay, just letting you guys know. So if you guys would like to join, you can. If not, no worries about that. Just wanted to let you guys know. Okay, so here we go, guys. Gold is still pushing. Okay, big moves so far. There we go. Nasdaq is starting to push back down. Just having a vape, guys. Stupid things got me when I was away. I picked up a vape and I was like, man, this stuff is good. It's not something that I want to do every day, obviously, but when I'm during the stream, it gives me something to do. It's the worst, guys. You do what you got to do, though. Okay, so you see how Nas is starting to break. Sorry, guys, 1 second here. Let's get on the computer. There we go. Okay, so Nasdaq starting to push back down, guys. You can see here, starting to break that trend. Nice little bullish movement, consolidation, continuation, rate into supply, and now we're starting to sell off. All right, so it's our job now to monitor if Nasdaq is going to come back in this demand before having a nice little possible continuation. Okay, let's take a look at gold E2. GU, you can still see it starting to push up, but for same thing like yesterday, guys. GU needs to break a downtrend. Okay, we're not looking for anything until it gets past here. All right, that's the key. It's the key level, and that's what we're looking for on the 5. This is on the 15 though. Okay, this setup, but you can see the 5 minutes looking like a nice double bottom. All right. Okay, so Nasty's still selling off here. Gold is still pushing. Okay, the Dow is still pushing as well. Okay, so you can see this really drawn to this level. All right, nothing has broke beyond here. It's, you can see to the left at that 30,170 area. Okay, so we got about 43 seconds, guys, until 8:10. All right, and then we're just gonna watch and see how everything's gonna move. Let's take a peek at that DXY as well. Okay, so remember we talked about that cool off and potential push to the upside is starting to happen right now. Okay. Everything is correlated with one and the other. You can see that Nasdaq is selling. You can see that gold is buying, guys. Here we go. Okay, so new 5-minute candle has opened up, and you can see a nice little rejection coming out of the supply area so far. Okay, still not looking for anything until it breaks this trend. Okay, so guys, if we break and continue bullish here, I can see this thing getting back to 1725. All right, so let's erase this for now. Let's see the next psychological number. We got 1718 here. So if we get above here, guys, this has the ability to make a nice little continuation. You know we're in supply, right? But if we break above that area right there, okay, so right above 1718, this thing is going to push to the upside. I'm a little bit indecisive right now. Okay, I think that gold was a beautiful sell from 1725. Okay, right up in here. All right, nice big move, 1724, 1725 area. Okay, and then it sold off, and it's looking like it's starting to find a little bit of that support on the 4 hour. I think that price is going to sell off, all right, due to news. Okay, right now on the 811, they're showing potential opportunities for buying, but like I told you before, guys, I have been selling and looking to sell in a heavy market for a while. Okay, the short-term pullbacks, you can get good moves on it, but everything is looking to sell. All right, we'll watch and see though. But we'll watch, guys. The buying market has, it's indecisive right now, honestly, straight up. Okay, last month we made a shit ton of pips selling the market. Okay, we all know that. All right, members in the group, you guys know. When October hit, guys, it's like a new season hits. Okay, seasonality of Forex. I'm not too sure if you guys understand that, but different seasons come into play, and it can have a huge shift in the market. Okay, like we talked about the Dow and S&P, they had major rebounds in all, like we're talking moves that they haven't seen since 2020, right when COVID hit. All right, but I need to see NFP happen. All right, I really want to see NFP happen because that's when I like to see the bigger moves start to come to play. NFP is going to be a big release of the news tomorrow, but the day before, it's really tough. Like even when you get a folder like unemployment, all right, you're gonna get a good move, but everybody's waiting for tomorrow, honestly. So that's just my opinion. Who knows if I'm right or wrong? All right, all we can really do is follow the fundamental part of it and then look for the technical part. So, but we'll watch and see. My mic's too close. Sorry, guys. Plenty of other streamers who don't you probably use mics, so you can go check them out. There we go, guys. Look at the Dow still holding. All right, we need to break above here on the Dow, guys. If it doesn't break above, where the hell is that? 30,170 area, right around in here. Okay. If it doesn't break above that, guys, you can see it's going to have another push to the downside. A nice little opportunity here. You can see it's starting to hold. Let's take a look at that moving averages here. 9, right around the 200. Okay. Big move starting for the upside. Let's go take a peek at GBP USD here real quick. Goldie's not breaking above, right in that supply. Okay, NASDAQ is getting rejected a little bit. You can see GU is just in that shitty consolidation. All right. Let's watch though. Honestly, like GU, these little candles right here, these are the worst. Okay. Doji's indecision. Okay. Not breaking above this downtrend. It's going to be interesting to see this news release in about 15 minutes. Okay. The only trade I'm currently in right now is a US 30 buy. Okay. That's the only trade I'm in, and I did a $1 move, and I'm up 20 pips from 30,119. Okay. I took a gold sell prior. Okay, and that's about it. Okay, so one thing here, let's take a look on the 15. Guys, I don't do Euro. Sometimes it's hard for me to even get 300 likes, so if I'm going to do something else, you guys might want to pump those likes up. Okay, so look what we have here. Nice downtrend. Okay, starting to hold some support here. We look at the sell pressure on the Dow. Okay, big sells. We haven't had a pullback yet, guys. Just letting you know, we have not had a pullback yet. The area that I'm looking for a sell on the Dow, okay, you can see it's going to be right up in this area right here. All right. I'm waiting for the short-term pullbacks to happen, okay, and then maybe we're going to get another drop, but we'll watch and see. Okay, and you can see Dow is starting the nice break. Where's the indicator? I don't really care about it right now, guys, honestly, because in about freaking 13 minutes, everything's going to be shit anyways. So it's right there. She's looking good, and you can see there's nothing really showing momentum. You can have oil at a potential sell coming in. All right, and that's about it. Everything else is just mid-range, no overbought and oversold, but you can bet your ass that as soon as news hits, these are all going to go bing, 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 and we're going to have a lot to look at. Okay, so let's just monitor the Dow real quick. Okay, big move. That's about a 47, 50 pip move coming from the bottom here, guys. I got my coffee, guys. We're good. Okay, so I'm going to leave the Dow Jones alone. Okay, and if we want to do Dow, guys, we'll do this at the market open time right near it. Okay, and then we'll go from there. Okay, so let's get on to Goldie. Perfect. So right in that range here. All right, guys, 34 seconds to 8:20 here. You're going to start seeing some more moves probably coming in, some little more volume. Okay, there we go, guys. All right. NASDAQ still pushing up too. Nice following on the trend. Okay. You can see GU starting to make a little bit of move. Okay, so GU looked like inverse head and shoulder pattern, maybe double bottom here. Okay. NASDAQ is still pushing up. Okay, nice big move here. There's a NASDAQ pop. It's good, looking nice. Okay, so everything's in supply. NASDAQ is, you can see that gold is still trying to break above, guys. I said 1718, but I would be waiting now, just FYI. Got about 9 minutes. Okay, so 1725. Remember, this is on the 5 minute. Let's take a look at that 15. Look at that supply area, and you can look to the left too. Look at the volume candles here, guys. Okay, so supply here, dipped down, finally broke above. We've just had a wick here. Okay, but look at what we're dealing with. You see that? That was today at 4 a.m. Okay, so if you're trading London, that thing just demolished 25 all the way down to 12. You're looking at over 100 plus pip, actually even further, guys. You're looking at 150 pip move. That's $15. Okay, so like if that was the sell-off before the pump, you know, like that's a big sell-off. $15 move on gold fluctuations. That's very large. Okay, you can see what we're looking with on the hourly. Okay, and you can see even on the 4 hour. The 4 hour looks like a nice M pattern here. This could be the retest. See that bottom wick neckline here? Okay, so top, second top. Okay, you can see it's starting to cool off a little bit, but we made a bounce rate at around that 4 hour support level. So about 28.22. Okay, NASDAQ's trying to hold here. All right. So I'm still in that US 30 buy. Okay, I'm running currently 50 pips on that at the $1 from the 30119, and you can see gold is holding. The Dow is holding very nice, guys. Look at that big break. Okay. Nice break out of the parallel channel here. See that move from the bottom here to the top is about 76 pips. Okay, so nice big break. You see gold is starting to hold. Do we trade EU? Maybe in not live, but I don't think I've taken a trade on EU in probably over 2 years. No, wait, that's a lie. I did one about 3 months ago. As soon as the news started to hit about all the war, I remember I traded that. Okay, so gold would have been a nice buy around 1718 above it. All right. Guys, I just secured the Dow and everything like that. All right, I'm done. That was about a 50 pip move. Sorry, 75 pips. Okay, secured about 50 with the push down. All right, so you can see now they're retesting here. And what we're going to go over real quick is the jobless claims we have coming in. All right, so you can see right here, guys, unemployment claims. So if you're not familiar with this, click the folder here. Look at this, guys. It's been about 5 straight folder releases. It's been positive, but you can see the negative that happened here on September 29th. So let's just say why traders care. Although it's viewed as generally a lagging indicator, the number of unemployment people is an important signal of overall economic health because the consumer spending is highly correlated with labor market conditions. Okay, unemployment is also a major consideration in those steering the monetary policy. So, jobless claims, it happens every Thursday of every week, guys. Every Thursday at 8:30 a.m. All right, you get major moves coming in. So for me personally, all right, we're gonna watch and see here how gold is going to move. I'm gonna watch gold more than probably anything here. Okay, so see how they're holding, nice move. All right, I'm thinking maybe a possible sell here on gold. Let's see, 1715 here, whole number. We'll see how it's gonna move. Okay, that's right near the hourly, guys. Okay, make sure to check your spreads. Okay, that's really important, guys. I'm telling you right now. Spreads are key. Okay, stop loss, guys, would be 1720. Give yourself a 50 pip stop. Okay, let's just watch and see how it's going to play out here. I don't understand the way you trade. Is it breaking support and resistance and you trade the impulsive move on a candle closure above, below support and resistance? Similar to that, yeah. How about you just watch the videos or check some of our YouTube stuff for the last 2 years? That'll really help you understand the way we trade. I'm not being rude either. It's just check out the videos. They're all there. We're trading. We don't really have time to answer that. But if you want to watch and see, you'll get it how it moves and how we trade. Okay. So guys, if nothing closes below 1715, I set a sell stop. All right. Small lot size. We're going to see how this is going to move. MT4 right on the phone. Sell stop right there. Okay. If not, if it's going to hold this trend, okay, it's going to go right back up to probably 1725. And the reason why I'm selling, guys, I'm looking for the long, higher time frame sell-off continuation. You wonder what the win rate is? It depends on the market conditions and when you get in, and if you're an impulsive trader. Because yesterday I lost on GU, it hit stop loss, but I won a few other trades. Okay, so here we go, guys. Just under 20 seconds. Okay, so, nothing triggered. Big bullish move. Still held the trend. Okay, so check that out, guys. Right on the trend it held. So nothing triggered yet. I told you, if it doesn't break that trend, it's going to 17, probably 25. Okay, nice big hold here, starting to push. Okay, so let's watch and see. Let's go check out the DXY real quick. Look at NASDAQ flying. GU starting to hold. Okay. Oh yeah, buddy. Look at NASDAQ. Members, you guys should be eating those pips from the trade ideas. Look at, oh my goodness. So my sell stop did not even get triggered just yet. Like nothing yet. That's a big move, guys. Let's watch and see. Okay, so here we go. Look at that. Let it do some things. Let it play out. Let's take a look at NASDAQ one more time too. NASDAQ is beautiful, guys. Beautiful break above that supply, still holding that trend. Sorry, still holding that trend. Right back up to the hourly, guys. That's a big move. Okay. Guys, we sent out a trade idea for this NASDAQ. It's running 60 pips from the group. All right. So let's watch. There's GU, guys, looking to hold that trend. Look at NASDAQ, big move. Okay, gold is still sheet. The Dow is just rocketing up, guys. This is the buy area we had on the Dow. Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, that white line, you can even see, this is the stop loss right here. Okay, that trade from this morning on Dow was bullish. Okay, extremely, and you can see how it held above that parallel channel from the upside. All right, so it's nice movement here coming in. That's a big bullish move, guys. And I can show you, for everyone questioning this, okay, you can check it out. I'm going to send it right to the free FX group. Shahab, can you please send that FX link again so we can check it out here? Okay, and you can see Goldie starting to push back down. I haven't erased my sell limit yet. I'm still holding that for now. Okay, you can see Nasty's pushing. You can see GU starting to ramp up, guys. This is a trade idea we sent to this morning in GU as well. I'm running currently 120, about 10 pips on GU right now. Okay, so we got to get a closure above here, guys. All right, NASDAQ push. Ooh, guys, look at this. Here we go. Let's see if it's going to hold below. Fade the fluff. Just go opposite of news and usually works. Can we buy gold? Not too sure, guys. GU's running up, so a lot of times gold follows GBP USD. I'm still holding my sells, guys. Like straight up, I'm still holding my sells. GU, I'm still holding the buy. Okay. You can see NASDAQ pushing. GU starting to push a little bit. We need to break above this wick, guys. Okay, if it doesn't break this wick, then GU is starting to, probably going to fade. Okay. Let's check out the dollar index. That's what we really want to see. Oh, nice, nice. Started to fade here. Okay. So here's GU, guys. Okay, so just waiting for this continuation here. Let me show you. 2 707. Okay, right at the buy zone. So members, you guys would be around that area too. Okay, around roughly to 800. So let's watch and see here how this is going to move. Okay, so look at gold, guys. Gold is having a mind of its own currently right now. That long wick is telling us a big story. Okay, if it doesn't break this trend, it's going to have a nice little continuation. All right, and the only reason why I'm looking at selling gold right now, guys, is simply because of the higher time frame. All right, but again, if it doesn't break 1715, all right, I took my sell limit off. All right, I took my sell limit off, and I'm going to do a manual entry. I want to watch price. The reason why is I don't want to get triggered on this bullshit spread and then watch this thing go in a buy. Okay, I'm just telling you right now. So let's take a look at GU quickly, since we're both watching that. The indices, guys, you guys probably wouldn't have caught. That was more of the group buys. Okay, so GU is still running here. We got to get a closure above. Okay, I'm currently running 20 pips on GU at a standard, so 200. All right, I will show you, and I'll send it to the FX group on the 15. Okay, so let's watch. Let's eat some pips on GU, guys. This makes up for the loss yesterday. All right, I'm not going to get greedy on this. Like I said, I don't really trade too many pairs, but GU, obviously, I told you, is my number one. So from roughly on this area, guys, did anyone grab GU by any chance? You're looking at maybe a 12, 13 pip move. Did anyone take GBP USD? If you did, guys, don't get greedy here. This thing can reverse, obviously. All right, we just want to watch and see price. I'm still holding mine, okay? Okay, so nice break of trend here. Let's watch. Okay, I'm going to secure 0.9 here, which is $211. I'm out, and I'm leaving a runner here, okay? All right, so nothing broke below on Goldie yet either. You can see NASDAQ is still pushing. Gold is not dropping yet, so that 1716 is still holding true, okay? Okay, so nice run here. Peter Horvath, nothing happened all day. You come in and I'll start making money. I can't believe this. That's funny, bro. So remember I talked to you about GU, I secured. This is the reason why. On the 15-minute, it's still strong, okay? But the 5-minute, you're probably going to have a pullback. It's a nice, sexy W pattern here, okay? You can see the support level that held coming near demand. So you can see where they're getting the push down. They're trying to hold it below the previous structure where they started to actually act as a sell, okay? So if you guys are comfortable with this, don't like get greedy. Like I said, this thing could potentially wick back down and it could continue in the downtrend, right? It's nice that it broke this trend right here, But now we got to watch and see if we're going to get that continued push. Okay, so here's your short-term pullback. All right, I'm still 15 pips in profit at $1, so I'm actually going to secure this, and I'll look to enter if we get another pullback showing the bullish push. Okay, guys, so I'm out on GU. I've secured. Okay, I don't care if it reverses again. If it comes back down to entry and pushes, then I'll look to grab it. Okay, gold is pushing right back down. Okay, so gold, we're about 8 pips away, 7. Nasdaq still pushing. Okay, so here we go. Let's watch. Okay. So still holding that 16 level, guys. Psychological. 1716, nice support. Okay, NAS is still good. GU still holding. Beautiful, guys. Nice retest. Continuation. I like the way GU is moving right now, guys. I really like the way GU is moving. It's strong, okay? If it pulls back one more time, I'm going to enter it in with a standard. Math and I'm breathing hard. My man. I'm sweating buckets. The GU has me terrified. Okay, so that's a nice retest, guys. Like, okay, let's go check out the DXY. Okay, so there you can see it's slowly breaking down. Key levels was right here. All right, and you can see the one level of support is starting to hold in and around this area. Okay, so for me, that's neutral right now. We've got to get out of that area. If we're going to break down, we're coming back down to that 111, 200. If we start to hold, find some buyers where we did once previous, okay, we're going to come back down to up to that 111, okay, 500. Okay, GU still holding, guys. All right, let's see if we can get that short-term pullback right around that neckline break again. If it does, I'm going to enter it in with a standard. Okay, NASDAQ is selling off. Gold still chop. Let's take a look at the moving averages here. Okay, so see how he didn't sell, guys. So nothing below. Still holding so far. Okay, so look at this right now, guys. It's in so many, it's right around the trend line, it's hovering around the 9, and we got the 200 right here, and we're near a supply zone. Okay, so here we go. Let's see. Okay, so GU on the 5-minute is pulling back, and so is gold. There's nasty coming back down to the entry. There's GBP USD, guys. So this will be my area where, like I said, it's either going to push or pull. It ran about 13 pips, beautiful move, and here's the break of structure. Okay, so I told you guys, look, if you're happy, look to secure. I told members in our group 90% secured. You can see it ran about 16, 17 pips. Okay, then had a reversal. Okay, here we go. We're coming right back down, guys. Okay, so there's GU. Remember we talked about it? We're going right to the entry here. If it holds at that entry, I will look to enter again. If not, this thing's just going to go bearish, guys. Look at NASDAQ coming right back down to entry. Look at gold still hovering. All right, we didn't even check the news. Let's go check it out. I know it's negative. A lot of people said that. Unemployment claims negative. That's the first time you can see it. Remember we went over it? Last 5, it's been positive. First time it's been negative here. Okay, and you can see the slow decreasing, guys. 232, 222, 213, 193, and then finally 219. No one wants to work, guys. I think everyone's on YouTube trading. Okay, so here we go. How many people quit your job to trade? I got a lot of people in our group, I'm telling you right now. All right. Let's see here, guys. We just broke that trend. We got to see what I mean about taking off that limit order. Okay, that's what we're broking. That's what we just broke. But now we got to see if we're going to get a continuation through. Okay. Looking at maybe getting down here and filling that wick. All right. Stop loss will be right around up here. So we'll watch and see. Psychological 15, guys. Important to watch. Okay. Okay, so new candle here. Okay, so I didn't enter in yet, guys. I told you to take off your limit order. Okay, and you can see why. That if you had a stop order, you'd be triggered and you'd be in probably about 10 pip drawdown right now. And if we look at GBP USD2, it started to reverse. Okay, there's GU, guys. You can see here why I said look at maybe securing. Look at GU, big breakdown, guys. Okay, nice little push for about 17 pips. We didn't make it all the way up to previous structure. Okay, made it to above 14.15. Okay, and here we go. Here's Goldie. Gonna embrace that moving, some of these moving averages here, guys. Where's the 200? There we go. Okay, we got also a time of 8:51. So do you see why I said remove your stop orders? Let's take a look at gold on the 15. Okay, let's take a peek now. So still the same, guys. Nothing overbought, oversold. Only thing is oil on the 4-hour. Okay, only thing is oil on the 4-hour. Okay, Nasty's coming right back to our 15-minute. GU starting to push back down. Okay, so nice continuation here. Closing below that 9. We're probably coming back down to around roughly this area, guys. Okay. Okay, so gold's picking up some volume here. Okay, let's take a look at that DXY real quick. Look at that, guys. Big volume base. Remember we talked about this? Okay, so it is holding nice volume here. It's still bouncing from that pullback, guys. Okay, so watch gold here still holding. You can see the Dow's pushing back down too. Okay. And you can see gold is starting to rise, guys. We got about 5 minutes for the new hourly. I'm watching this hourly, guys. So don't let it, hopefully you guys did not get any sells. I did not smash any sell, and I did not get in on a stop order. Just watching right now. If we start to push back down, you see how it's starting to walk up a bit? I'll move that down just a tad so we can get away from that arrow here. Okay, so you can see they're closing above right around that 9. If we start to get in around here, the supply area, this is the key level for us. See what I mean, guys? Starting to pick up volume. Let them do their thing. If it doesn't sell, guys, we're going to look for buys. All right. And tomorrow is NFP, guys, just FYI. So this is why that news could have been absolutely horrible. Okay, here we go, guys. Nice little reverse. Let's see if we can crack that 17.15. Wouldn't it just be nice if this thing just dumped right down to 17.10? Get some 50 pip move here. I'd be pretty happy with that. And remember the time too, 8:56. Okay, so see how its support level is going. I got my finger on the trigger, ready for 17.15. Okay, I took a small feeler sell on this, guys. Small, $1. Okay, we're gonna see if it's gonna break. This is a serious level of support here, guys. Just remember that. So if you're not comfortable even entering on a trade in the new hourly, they can open this up and push it right back to the upside. Okay, so see how it's holding. Nothing on the 5-minute is a serious level. Don't know if I understand that one, because if I put 17.15 on the 15-minute level, it would hold the same level of support. Okay, so see, guys, is respecting it. A lot of respect here. We got a new hourly opening up in about just under actually 40 seconds now, so it's going to come pretty quick. We're going to watch and see the nice move that's going to happen on the hourly. Okay, there's a wick to the top, a wick to the bottom. Okay, here we go, guys. New hourly coming up. I'm going to focus on NASDAQ as well, and same with the Dow Jones. Let's see what we got going on in terms of likes here. 179 likes, guys. Oof, not feeling the love today. 200 likes here. Okay, bump it up to 300, guys, if you want to see Dow Jones. If not, we'll chill out. Okay, so there goes gold. Okay, guys. Let's see if we're going to get that push. Okay, so see we're just dropping down a bit, guys. Okay, we got to get more of a closure below. Here we go. 3 minutes. So this is just the first hourly 5-minute candle open. See if we can get that follow through. Okay, there we go. I'm running. There we go, guys. Let's go. 2 standards. Bada bing, bada boom. And if you guys don't believe me, I'll send it to the FX group here right now. 2 gold sells. Spicy. Emmerich, congratulations, bud. I know you're running a lot higher than we are. That's about a 22 pip drop, guys. I'm happy with that. Oh, guys, pump it. Okay, don't get greedy now. Okay, big drop. That's about 23 pips, guys. Oh dear. Oh dearie. Oh yeah. 27 pipperoonies. Oh, let's go. Don't get greedy here. I'm securing both the trades. I don't like that support level here. Good to go. Did anyone take that gold trade, by the way? The build-up was nice. Did anyone take that? If you guys did, smash the like button. 266. Let's see if we can get 300 from that gold trade, guys. You took the GU sell. Nice. Let's see what's going on with GU. Everything is reversing now, guys. Look at, remember we talked about GU keep coming down, looking sexy. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, big 17, 15 pip move depending. All right. I want to see if gold is going to tap that 4-hour support. Let's see if we can get this tap here. One more thing, guys. My man. This is the best picture in the entire world right here, guys. Is it gold in here or is it just me? My man. Oh, guys. Yeah, buddy. Oh, wow. Oh, here we go. Guys, just FYI, I think gold is dropping. Was that me without a beard? You guys think that's me? I love it. Like, I don't even know. You have such bad neck problems if you are that much. Man. I'm gonna stream with like you guys watch. I can't cut my beard off, guys, but I really want to show up with just that stash and trade live gold with you guys. The people are not hitting the like are just expectors, expecting the world to give them everything. Well, guess what? The pip god sent you SST, and that deserves the highest of gratitude. Oh my god. I'm bowing to you, bro. I'm bowing to you for that freaking comment. Wow. I'm bowing to YouTube to be able to reach everyone. Oh, done, guys. Look at that. Tapped it. Little tap, tap, taparoo. Game time. Huge congratulations to everyone who took that trade. Huge congratulations, guys. Straight up. That's a big move. You're talking about almost a 45 pip drop. Okay. So shout out. I would be securing now if I were you. It's up to you guys. But and FYI, I'll show you that this was even sent to the Discord as a trade idea prior to the news. Okay, guys, so 908 here. Hey, we made it. 300 likes, guys. Okay, all right. Let's go take a look at everything else here. Man, gold is still dumping, guys. Wow. Let's see the Dow. Okay, still holding support. Okay, so we got that 300 love. Do you guys want it? What do you guys want to do? I want to hear from you guys now. Okay, I just joke around with the gold stuff here. Do you guys want to do NASDAQ or US 30 market open? What are you guys feeling right now? It doesn't really matter to me what we do, okay? I just want to make sure that you guys see the type of trading that we do. Gold can buy here. I don't know. I'm not really caring about gold right now. We just made a nice big move on it. So just monitor accordingly. Okay, just going through all these. I got a lot of Dow Jones here. Okay. You guys okay with doing Dow Jones? Members, don't worry. We'll look at Nasdaq maybe post market. We'll watch it too. guys, let's do watch Nasdaq here. Nice big move. Gold's picking up some volumes. That's why I kind of told you guys to secure, right? Let's go to the Dow. Let's go to the daily here. All right, guys. So look at the Dow here. All right, we look at where we're at. Very similar to Nasdaq, how we just did the top down. Okay. So we're getting that daily resistance still holding. Okay, a lot of volume is about to be pumped in this market. It can do one of two things. It can have a huge push, or it can be a dud. All right, that's the honest truth. Like, it is sad. Okay. Yesterday, it took us. We actually left the stream. Okay, for everyone who's on YouTube right now, and we caught the US 30 sells. Like, I was in drawdown, waiting to go in our private Zoom, and it took about 10 o'clock, 10:05 before the Dow to really start to drop. Okay, so it could happen today where 9:30 starts to happen. You know, it's choppy, and then we have the overall 10 a.m. New hourly candle open up, and that could be where the move is. All right. So as much as I want to think that 9:30 is going to have a big, massive play, it actually might not come into fruition at this time. But that was yesterday. Like I said, I'm a firm believer in today is a new day. All right. I am from India. Can I trade the US market? I don't see why not. You can probably do it through Bitcoin. Unless you're talking stocks and stuff like that, then I actually have no idea. Anyone else on YouTube know that can help my man, Mr. Naruto Patel, out? Okay, nice hourly support. Guys, can I ask you a question here? If you guys took that gold sell, like, what percentages did you make? Okay, if that happened, it's nice to just know what you guys are doing. Okay. %. Okay, bunch. That's good. 50%. Wow, that's crazy, guys. Ian, I got a question for you. You about 2 weeks ago, you said that you were flip-flopping your support and resistance charts, your lines. Have you stopped doing that? %, 1.3. Beautiful, guys. I think all the people that left the stream bought gold at that time. Okay, nice support level for our 15-minute. I had guys saying on YouTube, like, they're buying gold. It happens. Tony, honestly, you're one in a million, hon. You are. With loyalty and with your learning curve. I think it's because you come from that background. You know what I mean? A lot of people in this FX, it's got a really bad name. People driving cars and this and that. Like, I don't understand it. Guys, when I take out money, like, do you guys understand how much taxes Canadians get taxed? For these people buying Lambos and driving around in Rolls Royces, like they got to make a lot of cake to be able to afford that because the taxman comes around. You know, we've had this discussion before, but man, okay, I got some 5 minute resistance here. 30% in the U.S., Sean? Yeah, that's insane. Move out from Canada? No, bro, I'm not leaving Canada. Do you know how many people wish they lived in Canada? It sucks, but I would rather pay the dues and deal with it and get the free health care. Well, that's not really free because we do get destroyed in taxes, but it's a beautiful country. Honestly, the main reason why I stay here, guys, is legal marijuana, and you know, everybody's pretty nice, eh? Trudeau, oh man, I don't want to talk about Justin Trudeau. Okay, that's one person who will make me leave. Joshua, no, they banned that. I don't want to say that live either. Okay, guys, so 917 here. Are you Canadian or American? I am Canadian, personally. But I love the States. I love the food down there. I love everything about the States. I will be going to Vegas in December. I'll be going to LA in January. And then I'll be going to Ohio in March. Myrtle Beach for golfing. And I do plan on doing a lot of stuff in the States because I love it. Stocks never trading. Pre-roll or roll yourself? I don't like buying pre-rolls. I feel like it's you're cheating yourself out on good learning how to roll, to be honest with you. I know, Tony, it's going to be cold. Okay. All right, guys. So we got enough joking around here. 918. We can have some fun around this time, guys, just because nothing, we really, you can see, nice big move. How do I take lives in the stream? On the phone, guys. So just scroll back to the video, and you can even join the FX group, guys. I'll plug it in here for you so you can see. I do plan, you guys don't even want to know what happened to me the last 2 weeks, and you guys would be surprised that I'm still live streaming, to be honest with you. Moved out from the place that I was staying. Okay, I'm looking to buy a new house. All right, so right now I'm just chilling, but we just bought, me and Ron just bought very nice new computers. Okay, and we're gonna live stream Bookmap, but it's been crazy amount of things that have been going on. So usually I'm going to load up, or sorry, not usually, but in the future, I'm going to be loading up and taking live MT4 trades, okay, on here. It might not be with TradingView. I'll use the terminal here, and I'll show you guys where we got it and stuff like that so you can see. All right. Tony. All right, guys, look at the DXY. Remember we talked about this? Okay. Remember that wick at the beginning of the stream? Okay, big move, guys. All right, so it's going to fill that, guys. CGU, nice big push, rejection coming down. And then you can see here what we got going on in the NAS. Okay. And then Goldie's trying to fill that wick again, guys. Okay, there we go. And then you have the Dow here. Okay. All right. So this is a little bit interesting. I see on the 15-minute here. Look at this structure we have. Okay. We are right in the middle of the RSI. Okay, so this is where the market usually goes right before market open, and they have a big push. Okay. Do I take mushrooms? I've been known to microdose every now and then, but not full on. It's legal. Okay. All right, guys. About 8 minutes left. Took 90% of gold at break even. Go to the DXY. Nice. That's perfect, guys. Okay, so just waiting for that 925 candle to get everything set up here. I definitely want to check out some key levels, guys. Just, I think, because we're right in the middle of everything. Okay. Let's see what we got going on here. Okay, so this is where, guys, I would, this is our original buy. All right. So you can see nice push. Okay. The sell that would have been the best opportunity, you're looking at something like this. Yes, Magnus, you understand. It's exactly like Lion's Mane. Yes, that's it. Yes, I'm happy you know that, because everyone thinks those things are just for partying. No, they're not. There's a lot of science actually proven that they're going to be used in antidepressants and help with overall neurological functions. Okay. Okay, we're not gonna trade Nasdaq right now, guys. All right, we're gonna focus on the Dow. Okay, I think that this thing's gonna drop here right now and come back to this overall 30125. Okay, so we got 925 coming in here. All right, take a look. We have a nice little trend line that's gonna be tested. If it breaks here, guys, it's coming back down. Right for this overall entry. I wouldn't be taking the sell just yet. You can probably do it right before, but it's up to you. I personally am not. And the reason why is because we're about 5 minutes from 9:30. Oh, guys, by the way, did you guys see that the home run record for MLB was smashed? Did you guys watch that yesterday? That's baseball, by the way. I don't know if anybody follows. Yeah, Aaron Judge. He's the man. I still like the Barry Bonds and Mark McGwire days. Is that hockey, Eds? No, it's not hockey, bro. It's baseball. He's the all-time home run leading record. Yes. You're a huge baseball fan from Ghana. Welcome, bro. Bright. I love baseball myself. I remember Bo Jackson. Absolutely. Yeah, Leo the Don. Barry Bonds, the steroid era was the best. That's why I like it. It's the McGuire, man. These guys went toe to toe in the same era trying to smash this record. Okay, so here we go, guys. Guys, I got a question, okay, for you. I want to ask you guys real quick, okay? Has anyone heard of Audacity Capital? Okay, I got a bunch of no's here. If you guys have, if you have experience, please let me know, okay? They have been approaching us non-stop to support their prop firm. If you guys have seen them, let me know, and we're gonna get ready to go. Audacity Capital, Audacity Capital. Okay. Okay. So guys, if you're new, don't trade 9:30 New York stock. This should have been right on it. Do not trade the first 5 minutes. Wait, and we'll see how it goes. Use stop loss and trailing stop where applicable. All right. Do not risk more than 1%. Okay. So we're gonna watch. So I told you we're gonna get a little bit of a sell-off coming in here. All right. You can see it's starting to push down. Okay, so it's stuck at a pretty critical level here. All right. It's in buying territory for me. Okay, so let the market play out for the first 5 minutes, guys. We'll wait and catch a move after, okay? I'm just gonna hold tight. I'm not sending any, nothing has been sent, not doing anything. I'm looking for possible sells, if anything, right now. Coming back down, breaking that critical 1 hour. Okay. Gold just filled that bottom wick, guys. It's gonna probably sell off as well. So we'll watch and see. Here we go, 4 seconds. Okay, so we're now open. The New York Stock Exchange has opened here. All right. You can see the volume is trying to close above. All right, these key levels here. We're going to have to watch and see. Remember, there we go, guys. I mentioned to you, if we break that, we're coming back down. This is the area that is a critical mark for potential buying opportunities. All right, so let's watch and see here how this is going to move. If we retest this again, I might try an opportunity for a buy, but I got to get that retest. Okay, see what I mean? Critical level, guys. Okay, I did not take anything right now. If they punch right through this, you know that it level has been annulled by the buyers. There we go, guys. See, this was the original trade idea sent to the group. Okay, 30125. Do you see how it wicked right down and the buying started to happen? That's the same exact level, guys. Okay, so I can see if price closes above 30200. Let's watch and see right now. Okay, that we maybe can get an opportunity for some continuations. If not, it's got to break this level here and then break this support level, because this is a strong level where buyers are sitting. So let's take a watch. Let's take a peek. Let's see if we're going to actually crash maybe through here. So nothing left right yet past there. Okay, it's still getting rejected. There it goes. Gold held support too. Let's see if we can get a closure above here, guys. Okay, so don't enter in just yet. Give it the first 5 minutes. Remember, guys, this is still, I say it right in the rules. Wait 5 minutes. Okay? If you're not waiting and you're impulsive, just understand the risk that comes along with that. Okay? TP could be, 30,300. How many trades do we open per trade? How many trades? Not many, guys. It's one position and is generally a smaller lot size, honestly. Okay? So let's just watch and see. We got about 1 minute and 23 seconds here. So we'll check out real quick. Gold, okay, held support and pushed back up. Look at NASDAQ, guys, flying, okay? The Dow is just chilling. This always happens. Okay, so let's watch and see if this is going to play out here. I'm waiting for the first 5 minute to close. And then if nothing closes below here, or sorry, above, we're just going to leave the trade because it's going to get pushed down. Harry, message me on Discord, okay? We'll chat. Okay, so there we go. The last 5 seconds it pumped. Okay, let's see what we got going on here. So here's the new candle open, guys. It closed down. Okay, psychological 30,200. Okay, it's not closing above here. Let it play out. We're going to see how we're going to go. All right. Let's see NASDAQ real quick. Double top on NASDAQ. That's why I tell you, wait the first 5 minutes, guys. This is still neutral to me now. Okay, so NASDAQ is in a supply area. We'll watch and see if it's going to push through. Gold still holding true. Okay, the Dow is attempting to get in there. Nothing has broken above just yet. There's some momentum. The buyers are still strong here, guys. Okay, there still are, but we just got to watch. All right, we're at a psychological number here. I want to see if we can get to the top in and around here where the sellers are sitting. If we don't get there, nothing is even, we haven't even broke above just yet. You can see it's indecision. Let's take a look at the 15 here real quick. Okay, see what we're working with, guys. See how the supply to the left would be a great area. You can see that I would dump down. Okay, so that's what maybe we're looking for, a retest in this general mark. Okay, if not, you can see the overall trend, okay, is showing still bearish from here, right? Look at what's getting rejected right at that wick. Okay, so I know that's choppy. Give it some time. I didn't plug a trade on that yet. It didn't close above. It's a lot of wick being pushed. I want to see the respect. If it starts to break down here, okay, then definitely we're going to find another position. We're just going to leave that trade alone. All right. We need it to break that downtrend, okay, for any kind of bullish movement. And if it breaks the uptrend, ascending, descending, higher time frame here, okay. So we're probably going to get this coming in at maybe 9:45. All right. Okay, so that number's still psychological, guys. Still holding very true. Nothing breaking above here just yet. We got to flip the script hard, see if we can get a closure. Okay, now it's retesting. Okay, I took a small feeler buy at 3,200. Sorry, 30,181 for $1. Okay, that's my initial runner. All right, let's see if we can get that push. Come on. Let's see if we can get to supply. Right through the 200 EMA exactly. There we go. Okay, so they're coming. It's getting a little bit of rejection here. Okay, so if you guys got in on that buy, look to secure some of this and leave a runner. Okay, it's still very strong, but we're at that critical level here that's pushing. Okay, oh damn, I'm running 75, 80, 75 pips from $1 from that move on my 30,181. Okay, did anyone grab that? All right, I told you, give us some time. This is a little bit of a more mature move where, you know, maybe you didn't take it, but you're just watching. You know what I mean, right? And it's okay if you didn't get it. All right, like don't hold yourself down for that. Don't don't be upset. It's now coming to looking like maybe a double top here. I did tell you that the buys, the best opportunity, the sniper entry was right down here. This was from our system that we use, the AI. Okay. All right. And you can see now It's starting to push back down. I can see probably a potential short-term pullback happening. If not, this thing is going to push right through. Oh my goodness. Yeah, but I trade key levels like S&P. That's, hey, there's no problem with that, man. This is just showing you guys, okay? This is just showing you guys, you know, how to trade and scalp and stuff like that. If you like it, fantastic. If you don't, if it's not for you guys, don't worry about it. Just move on and find something else. You know what I mean? If you want to be a higher time frame trader, then try to learn how to do higher time frame, right? This thing could be too volatile. Sometimes I breathe. The one guy who called me out on breathing heavily, sometimes I do breathe heavy because I'm scared. I won't lie to you. I'm like every other person, man. But I've learned one thing. Not to, when I don't over leverage, okay? I don't worry, right? I don't worry at all. But when I'm over leveraging, then I can feel my cojones in the back of my throat worrisome, right? Look at that, guys. Look at that buy. Wow. It's about 142 pip trade. Okay, so I'm out. I closed. If this thing runs, it doesn't matter to me. Okay. Congratulations, Ian. Also, 2.73%. No over trading for a day. Gonna chill and watch now. Sweet. Go game, guys. Honestly, I know a lot of people are gaming here. We got PK coming in at 10:30, guys, in our group as well. He destroyed what I saw yesterday. The nice buys. All right. Is my man Business Beyond on here? He might not be on. There he is. I just got your email, bro. We're gonna respond today, okay? Okay, and there we go, guys. Look at the big wick down. All right, coming into that supply near the 4 hour. So let's just see how it plays out here, guys. Okay, so now I'm done personally. All right. There's a little bit of a divergent play coming in on the Dow. Remember this, we're in supply. Push. Resistance. Okay. So we're going to see now if that's really going to hold true or if the volume and the power of the buying market can have a continuation. The Fed seized 311 million in Bitcoin. Then they watched helplessly as a hacker stole it. Wow. Good, good security the Fed has. I just read that on the Business Week. Go watch it on Instagram, guys. That's scary to me. The Fed's got jacked. Wow. Okay, so I want to see the new candle close. Sorry, this candle close and the new one open. Okay, as soon as that happens, guys, we're going to see what this move is going to look like. Paper chaser, that's the best comment. One thief stealing from another thief. That's wild, bro. That's funny. Okay, so see, we talk about supply, guys. It's coming into an area where previous sellers have been. So we caught the initial market. I see a nice M pattern forming here. I really do. Okay, I see that as a neckline. All right, you can see here that we made a nice area of resistance, and that's why it sold off. Okay, so beautiful sell, tap TP, and then we go from there, right? Let's take a look at Goldie for a sec. So take a look at this, guys. Okay, before I bounce out of here. Yeah, I know my chart's stuck, guys. Sorry. I tried a new thing today. I'm streaming with through Instagram, and we're gonna stream through TikTok as well. Okay, it should be good now. So take a look at this. Okay, so psychological 1715. All right, this we didn't enter the second one, but take a look. Okay, do you guys understand about static levels? Okay, do you guys understand about static levels here? Okay, so I'm on gold, guys. Okay, so static level is something like this, and this is something that we try to harp on with the group, okay? All right, so a static level is an area of entry where you can be used multiple times, okay? You can see 1715 could be used for multiple sell entries, guys, okay? Okay, guys, it seems like I'm having a little bit of problem on the stream. Okay, not too sure why. It still shows me as good. All right, but what I'm going to do is I'm gonna end it, and then members, I'm going to just take over on the Zoom. Okay. All right, so guys, if you want, okay, to join up, like I said, we had about, from what I got, an admin message. If you would like to join, we have about 13 spots left in here. Then it's going to be closed. Okay. And the reason why we're closing it, guys, is because, like I said, we have a set number for each plan that we're looking to work with moving forward. And then, you know, it'll be closed until the next plan open up. All right. It's totally up to you. You don't have to join. It doesn't matter. We're going to be live here on YouTube. But if you like these trades, like I said, we send 3 to 5, sometimes more per day. All right. You also get more than just YouTube. You get live Londons, okay, and then we do 3 post New York sessions, all right, which is actually probably the best session. You know, the volume is very volatile during market open, so you can catch nice reversals at the post, okay. And then we do workshops. Okay, so workshop is like yesterday, my man worked on oil. So we broke down oil trading and what it's been doing the last few days, right? And how the manipulation comes in, like what is OPEC meeting, how does that affect the market and stuff like that. And then we do, like yesterday, we did our weekly webinar. Okay, so the webinar that we talked about was FOMO, fear of missing out, and then FOJI, fear of jumping in. Okay, a lot of you guys have probably not heard that term. All right, but we talk about it just because a lot of people, they don't know about it. And it's not me doing this, okay? It's my partner, and then we have some other streamers who do this along with us as well. Okay, so and it's all uploaded to the video section in our website, so you can check it out based on that. It's not just a one and done. All right, and then guys, you can see our trade signals going from 6 to 12 in the morning. Okay. All right, and then that's pretty much it, guys. If you guys have any questions, you can check it out. If you guys send us an email, don't send right here, guys, because we're doing some updates to the website. Don't send an email if you want to get in touch with us. stocksteppertrading@gmail.com is probably the best one. All right, Yam, just send us a message, bro. We'll take care of you. Okay. All right, and then guys, just FYI, we can transform our website into over 100 different languages. Like say you want German. Okay, like we can all. Just give it a sec to load. But all the text on the website will be switched over to German. It might not do it now just because apparently my stream is lagging a bit. Okay. So, but yeah, guys, with that being said, take a peek at it. And if not, one last thing I want to ask of you guys before we bounce. Okay. Give us a follow on Instagram. Okay. We do regular giveaways here. Okay. Just, we don't really do them so much on YouTube. Okay. It's mostly focused on IG. All right, so just one sec, guys. Sorry, it's not loading right now. I think it's because the internet routers is taking a little slower time today. Really not sure what's wrong with our internet here. It could be a routers issue again. Anyways, guys, we'll drop the link in the FreeFX group. Okay, so if you guys want to follow, the link is posted at the top in the pin message. Okay. All right, guys. So have a good day. We will see you tomorrow, same time, same channel. Later.
As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stock Sniper Trading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.